These chickens are the size of a small turkey. So it's been deep fried, I think, so it's a crispy chicken.
Bangkok is famous for its fantastic street food, and I'm going to eat my share of it. I enjoyed some incredible street food in Hong Kong, so when I land in Bangkok, Thailand, I'm already thinking, where can I find some street food?
I'm at the street food market at the airport in Bangkok, Thailand. Let's see what kind of fantastic street food they have in there. So there's a different kind of beef noodle here. That looks pretty good. What is it? Roasted?
This is space. Another space.
Plump chickens there. Really plump looking. Just another kind of chicken. I stopped off for some fried chicken here, so I got number 3, which is the grilled chicken rice, which is 60 baht, and number 8, which is the fried chicken rice special, the large size, for 110 baht. Here's the grilled chicken with the rice. That's a small size. And then I got this huge fried chicken rice special. We have a choice of 4 different sauces here, and it comes with 4 soup each. So this is the crispy fried chicken.
My first disappointment, those chickens are made of plastic.
That's really crispy fried chicken. It's really delicious, not greasy.
These are also plastic chickens.
So I finished both my orders of chicken. So they came to about $6.40 for 2 orders. I finished both of them, and I'm going to have a dinner now in about 3 hours. You are there with me having the street food at the airport in Bangkok, Thailand. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my other channel, the Chinese Cooking Channel. So the Chinese Cooking Channel won the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world, and it was also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world. And also please subscribe, just press the button,